Hello everyone. En Chuang Technology is a company that engaged in product development, mold design, die casting production for inspection of one-stop solution company. Now, let's follow me to take a tour. En Chuang Technology was founded in 2010, covers an area of 50,000 square meters with more than 400 employees. We specialize in zinc alloy, aluminum alloy, magnesium alloy die casting production and manufacturing. Our die casting parts are used in automotive parts, connecting metal housing, house application parts, and so on. We have passed these certifications. Now we are in the Engineering R&D Center, where we are equipped with mold design, mold making, and project engineering teams. Here we turn all ideas and drawings into reality. Here is our die casting room. We have more than 50 sets of die casting machines, covering machine tonnage for 58 ton, 88 ton, 130 ton, 160 ton, 200 ton, and 1000 ton. Die casting products in every site for you to realize. At the same time, our factory equipped with 44 sets of mold processing equipment, 120 sets of CNC machine center. Mold precision can reach ±0.02 millimeters. There are post-treatment processes for die casting: painting, polishing, planting, spraying, e-coating, passivation, and etc. We supply dimensional measurement with 2D measuring projector, 2.5D measuring projector (CMM), surface performance testing, firm thickness gauges, soil spraying machines, constant temperature and humidity test, and X-ray flow detector. We guarantee the performance of our products and meet the requirements. In full inspection workshop, we strictly implement the quality inspection standards. For inspected qualified products, we will ship the goods as soon as possible. If you have customized die casting requirements, please don't hesitate to contact us.